JD Cap 26 here, just do tips and beers and hobbies. And we're going to make a sharps container for needles, because I take a medication that I have to dispose the little needles. And all you need is like 2 cups, some silicone tape, and a knife. You can use anything for a sharps container. Those little Chinese containers you can use that spare ribs come in. You can use a jar with a lid on it and cut a hole in it or drill a hole in it the size that you need. Anything like that. But you want to mark on the outside of the container that it's a sharps container when you throw it away, okay? So people know. So I'm going to stack those one on top of another like that. And I'm going to take some tape here. And hopefully we can do this without any difficulty. Put the tape around like this. This is going to give you, quite a bit of space inside the cup to, last a little bit longer than usual. You're just going to put the tape around it like that. You could use duct tape. Any kind of tape will do, as long as it sticks, pretty well. The cellophane tape is relatively cheap, so you want to use something like that, And you could put the hole through the top, but you know what? We're going to put it through the side. Let me put my glasses on here. And you only need to puncture a hole here. And we're going to cut it like that. Pull it out with the knife. You can even just bend it down like that and have it go up if you want, as a flap. That way, when you get done with it, you can seal it like that, put tape over it. So about that size is going to be good. I hope you can see that. And then take a piece of masking tape, this yellow tape right here, and if you can find the end of it, take a pair of scissors here. This is kind of like the Captain Kangaroo video, huh? Sort of, guys, girls. Doing something like this. Make sure this seals up nicely. Okay. Get a magic marker over here. And right on there. Like that. Okay. Sharps. You could glue this onto a base if you want. If you feel it's going to be unstable. That's your choice. I'm going to use it as such. And I hope this video helps you. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Give me the thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.